Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Salesforce CRM system to Corezoid. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in Corezoid, transfer new data every time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM. It is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Salesforce CRM data source. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Corezoid as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Data. At this stage, you need to connect your Corezoid account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify URL for sending data. In order to get it, go to your Corezoid personal account. Next, click Create Process. Next, enter a name for your process and click OK. In the created process, click Start. Click Copy webhook via JSON and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Select Submission Type, PostJSON. Next, you need to fill in the parameters. In the name field, you need to write the name of the variable in which you plan to transfer data from the source. In the value field, you must specify a variable with a value from Salesforce CRM. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. To create a new data entry field, click Add. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to Corezoid. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Corezoid. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.